Euler method, we will discuss the solution of ordinary differential equation with the Euler method. So, in computational physics, Euler method is basically called as forward Euler method. It is used to solve the ordinary differential equations. Also, this can be used to construct more complex method like predictor corrector method. This method can be used there also. So, Euler method, right, will be y. This is the equation, this equation. This you must remember. Yn plus 1 is equal to yn h f xn comma yn. Right? The value h we can calculate. Final value which has been asked to calculate, that will be put up here. Value x and initial value of x, that is given also. We write here. Size of step you have to choose so that accuracy is more. Further, we have to find the value of dy by dx is equal to y minus x is equal to divided by y plus x with y 0 equal to 1. This is the value function. This is the initial condition which has been given. This question means basically this is the value of x naught, right? So x naught is equal to 0 and y naught will be equal to 1. Y0 in this way, right, written, or this way, it is same thing of this. It is same thing. And this we have to calculate y 0.1. So the value h will be final value 0.1 that we have to calculate, that you write here, minus initial value that is given, that is this one. You can write here, right? Step size, I am 5 steps I will try to solve. So accordingly, the value of h will be 0.02. So generally, we take the value of step in such a way so that it is a whole figure. So h is equal to 0.02. Further, first step is this one. Yn plus 1 will be equal to yn plus h f function of xn and yn. Put up first step is n equal to 0 that we are using. Put n equal to 0 in the bound equation. It will be y1, y0 plus h f x0 and y0. So dy by dx will be equal to what? This is given, but our requirement is not this one. Our requirement is this one. Function of x0 comma y. Same thing we will try to put up. In place of y, you will write y0, and in place of x, you will write x0. Same thing I am writing here. F x0 y0 will be this one, right? Euler method we have written. I have written y0 is y1 is equal to y1 equal to y0 plus h function of this one x0 y0, that is given. Value of x0 is equal to 0, that is also given. H is equal to 0.2, we already calculated. This is also given. So put out the values. This will be the value function. Then the Euler method, we can put out the values. Y1 we can calculate. Y0 we know. Same thing we are putting here, right? And h 0.02. And our value function we are already calculated. That is 1. Same thing writing here. So y1 will be this one. Similarly, s1 we can calculate. What is x1? x1 will be equal to x0 plus h, right? So as value of h, I will write here. Accordingly, we can calculate. Now, second step is Euler method. Basically, is this one. Standard equation is here. Now, second step is for n equal to 1. Because first step was n equal to 0. Second step I am taking n equal to 1. So accordingly, it will be y2 equal to y1 plus h f x1 and y1. And function we know we are written many times. Same thing I am writing here. F x1 y1 will be equal to y1 minus x1 divided by y1 plus x1. Euler method we know, we have written many times. So value s1 we have calculated in the previous slide. Y1 we have calculated. H we have calculated. Same value put up here, the value of function can be calculated. That is 0.9615. In this way, you put up the value here because this is actual x1, y1. Same thing I'm putting here. Y1 we are already calculated, h we are already calculated, right? Same value we are using 1 point y as 1.0 plus 0.02 multiplied by 0.9615. So simplifying, this is the answer. That's the value of y2. From x2, we can from x1 we can calculate x2 also. What is x2? X2 equal to x1 plus x. What is x1? X1 is given 0.02. H also given. What are the values? Answer will be 0.04. So now y2 is known, x2 is known. We will try to calculate now y3, x3. Third step, we know the follow method, right? This is a method, this standard equation. For n equal to 2, we will try to solve out. Right? Y3, n equal to, right? Y3, this y2, this hf x2, y2, right? So now we will use the value of this y2 and x2 is a function also and h also. H value of h is constant. We have taken 0.02. Same value you will use again and again. Now this is x2 y2, right? This sorry, is again check it here. The formula will be because y3 will be there, not y. This will be y2, right? So this is okay. Now this is y3. This is y2. This question you can take, right? So same thing I meant. Right? So this is question is wrong. You can see this is okay. Right? So now y3 equal to y2 plus f x2 y2. Right? Same thing I'm writing here. So what are the value of y2 x2 that we already calculated? Right? So what are the values? Function can be known. Function, the value of function will be put here. This one, right? That is 0.9259 or guide per here. So answer will be that will be the value of y3, x3 being calculated. That is x2 plus x3, x2 we already calculated 0.04, 0.02. The answer is 0.06. So at x3, this is the value. We are reached up to 0.06. Our aim is 0.1 basically. That we ask the question. Same thing I'm writing here. Fourth step. This is by n equal to 3. So y4, n equal to 3 means y4, y3, and fx3, y3. So same thing you will write here for this value function that we do many times. So same thing I'm writing here. Fx3, y3 we will try to calculate, and we will try to calculate calculate the value. We calculate the value of x3, y3 by putting the values of y3 and x3. This is the value of y3. This is the value of x3. That is already calculated. H we know already calculated. So in this way, f x3, y3 we can calculate. And what is that? 1.0575. This one minus this 9.8926. So simplify, put up this value of h and y3 here. Same thing I'm writing here. Right? So y2 is y2. X1 we calculate that the x3 plus h, x3 we already calculate 0.6 plus h 0.02. The answer is 0.08. So at x4 is a value, but our aim is 0.1. That's why we go for fifth step. This is also a question, follow question, that is yn plus 1, yn h plus h f x n yn, right? For n equal to 4, I will write. So put our n equal to 4 here, right? That is y5 by 4 here, then h f x4 by 4. So this function will calculate. This is value. So y4 we are already written. What is y4? X1 we know from the previous step. So what are the values? That will be the value of f x4 y4, right? So we will calculate again, right? Full method, basically this is method, right? We know the value y4 that we are calculating the previous step. So same I am writing here, right? So in this way, you will calculate the value of x4 also by writing x4 is equal to what? Uh, Sorry, x5 we calculate, that is x4 plus x. x4 we are know plus x. So I am again repeating. Follow method is this one. y5 is equal to y4 plus x. So we will calculate the value of first of all f4 x4 y4. That we will calculate. This is the method, right? So y4 we already calculate previous step that I am taking, right? And value of x in the first step we have calculated, right? 0.02. That is same everywhere. f4 x4 comma y4. This is one. Same thing I am writing here, right? Try to simplify. This will be the y5. To calculate s5, what is the method? s5 is equal to x4 plus h. That s4 we all know we have reached 0.08 plus 0.02 at 0.1. That is now calculated. Now we have reached, right? So y5 will be 1.093 at x5 this one. It means now basically this is y s5 in the back to the right, that 0.1 is equal to 1.093. In this way, the our method can be used to solve the this ordinary differential equation we have tried. It will be used in the predictor character method also. We will discuss later. Thank you.